Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the browser where you want to change the default search. Tap the app, then tap the three dots or gear icon to reach settings. Once in settings, go straight to search engine. If you use system-level defaults, open the phone settings app and search default apps or search engine. Do this now so you can see the list of available engines and any option to add a custom provider. Next, pick or add the engine you want. For listed engines, simply tap to select it. Once selected, the browser will use it immediately. To add a custom engine, choose Add or Manage Search Engines, enter a short name and the search URL with %s where the query goes, then save. On iOS, you change Safari's engine in Settings Safari Search Engine. On Android, you usually change per browser app. Make sure to save and exit settings to lock the choice. Finish by testing a search from the address bar to confirm the new engine is active. If the old engine persists, clear the browser cache, force close and reopen the app, or restart the phone. Often that fixes lingering behavior. Make sure no device management profile or content restriction enforces a different default. If problems continue, update or reinstall the browser. Troubleshooting tip: if settings revert, look for managed profiles or parental controls.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.